Assalamu alaikum students. In the first lesson of this week, we have learned how to factorize an algebraic expression with the help of the first two algebraic identities. In this lesson, we will learn how to factorize the algebraic expressions of the type a square minus b square with the help of the algebraic identity, and this algebraic identity is your third identity. A square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b. Now here a square minus b square, this format will be given to you, and from this format you have to write this format a plus b into a minus b. We will learn how to factorize such expression with the help of few examples. Now see, we have an algebraic expression 9 minus x square. Now for this algebraic identity, we must have two perfect square and minus sign always in center. Now we have two perfect square, 9 is perfect square of 3, and x square is perfect square of x, and there must be minus sign in center. So this will be a square minus b square, which will be equal to a minus b into a plus b. Here your a is 3 and b is x. Now let's see one more example. We have 7xy square minus 343x. We have discussed that the two terms must be perfect square, but they are not perfect squares. So we have to see that taking common is possible in this case. Yes, we can take 7x common. If we take 7x common, we get y square minus 749's time is 343. So we get y square minus 49. Now see the terms in the bracket, the expression in the bracket. Y square is perfect square of y and 49 is perfect square of 7, and we have minus sign in center. So it means we can apply third identity on the expression within the bracket. So we get y square minus 7 square, which will be equal to y minus 7, y plus 7. So after factorization, our factors are 7x, y minus 7, and y plus 7. See one more example. We have 75 minus 3 into a minus b whole square. 75 is your first term and 3 into a minus b whole square is your second term. 75 is not a perfect square, 3 is not a perfect square. So in that case, we have to take common. If we take 3 common from this expression, if we take 3 common, we get 25, because 3 25's time is 75 minus, and from the second term, if we take 3 common, we get only a minus b whole square. Now see the expression within the bigger bracket. 25 is perfect square of 5, and a minus b whole square is perfect square of a minus b. So your two terms are, two perfect squares are 5 square and a minus b whole square, and we have minus sign in center as well. So we can apply third identity on the expression within the square bracket. So we will get a minus b, a plus b. Here a is 5 and your second term, your b, is a minus b. So we get 5 minus a minus b, 5 plus a minus b. Now here, using this smaller bracket, round bracket is important, because when we open the bracket, we will change this sign because we have minus sign outside. So we get 5 minus a plus b, 5 plus a minus b. So your factors of 75 minus 3 into a minus b whole square are 3, 5 minus a plus b, and 5 plus a minus b. So now students, you can do exercise 6.5 first 10 question easily in your notebooks, and you must follow the links in the resource.